Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to block Twitch ads completely. If you don't like to get the ads while you're streaming or maybe you're watching the live stream on Twitch, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to open the Twitch and open another tab, and there you have to search for Google extension, or you can also search for Google Web Store. Then you will get this link, click onto it, and then you will be there. Now on the left side we have this option called extensions. You can see you have to click onto it, and there you have to search for uBlock. So uBlock is an extension of Google Chrome. With the help of it we can block the ads. Once you get to there, you have to simply click onto this option, add to Chrome, and you will install it. Once it gets installed, then I'll show you how you can use it to remove the ads. The installation would hardly take a minute or two, and once it get installed, then we will turn it on and will apply it to Twitch. So as you can see, it says that it has been added. Now you have to make sure that it is working. Now what you can do is you can go to Twitch and you have to actually do a refresh 2 to 3 times, because this will not work immediately. This will take a while. The other thing you can do is you can go to your extension settings. Once you get to there, you have to open the uBlock. First you have to make sure that it is on. You can see that toggle, make sure it is on, not off. After that you can see this option, allow it to read. Here you have to make sure you select this middle option, and once you select it you have to simply paste the Twitch URL. So simply go to Twitch, copy the URL, get back and paste it and click on OK. Now it will specifically work for Twitch. Now what we can do is go to Twitch and you have to refresh it. It would not work immediately, it will take some time. So you have to keep updating or refreshing, and then you will see that all the ads will get removed. So that's it. This is how you can block all Twitch ads completely. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.